Today we're talking about darkness under the eyes. We all have them. Whatever the reason, being a mother or being a party animal, you don't have to walk around looking like this. Let me show you how to cover this up. First step in neutralizing the darkness under the eyes is color correction. For that, we're gonna use a product of a warm color so that it would neutralize the blue under the eyes. As you can see, I'm applying the color correction only where I need to correct the color, not around the whole eye, but just in this section. Step 2. After evening out the skin tone under my eye, I'm gonna go in with my regular concealer. As you can see, this time I'm dragging the concealer a bit more out to connect it with the rest of my makeup. And now last step, in order to make sure everything we created stays on all day, we're gonna use a setting translucent powder. I'm using a smaller brush to fit this area and I'm just gently swipe it away to keep everything set, fresh and in place. To wrap it up, honestly, I think wearing makeup is a choice. It's a beautiful thing, but you can choose every day whether you want to wear it or not. But if you choose to wear it, I hope you find these little tips useful.